Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can manage your subcontracts or job works with the help of TranZact. If you outsource your production or a part of your production, you might be facing challenge to manage your outsourced material and its inward or timely delivery. TranZact has a separate subcontract section in the production module to keep track of your outsourced material for job works or subcontracts. To take a look at how it is done, let's go to our production module. Here on the top right corner, there is subcontract. Click on subcontract section. This is your dashboard of all the orders that are pending to be sent to your vendors for respective service. Subcontract is divided into 3 stages. When you outsource any production process or a part of the production process, it comes into pending stage. Let me show you how it is done. This is a production order. For example, I have to outsource production of wall body to a vendor. So I'll simply select the process and will click on outsource. To confirm the action, click on yes. As soon as I click on yes, this particular process will go into the pending stage of subcontract. Let's take a look. As you can see, this particular process has come into pending stage of subcontract. If you want to see the status of your material that are currently outsourced, click on WIP. This is the second stage of your subcontract. Once you receive the outsourced material in the form of finished good or semi-finished good, you mark the process as completed. This is how the subcontracts are managed on TranZact. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you. Have a good day.